I think all girls should learn how to DJ, so I'm going to teach you how to DJ. So we're going to cue in the next song. When you're cueing in the next song, make sure that the channel, that the deck that you're playing it from, the fader is all the way down because you don't want it to just blur. I always turn the bass off. Never have the bass on all of the tracks that you're playing. Only have the bass on one track, otherwise it sounds really distorted. Also turn the mids down a little bit on this one to start, and then I'll bring them in a bit more later. Ignore these two, but those two on the side of the settings that I have. So this one will be the one playing and this one will be the one that I'm bringing stuff in. The BPM is at 140. So on the song that I'm bringing it in, I need to make sure the BPM is the same, which it's not. So as I explained in my last video, you just need to change the tempo. You should have one of these on your decks, and then now that's 140. So both of these numbers need to match always, otherwise it's going to clang. The thing you're going to do is put your headphones on. Make sure you click the cue button so you can hear through your headphones the song that you're about to bring in. And in your headphones, we're going to cue the song in. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 play. So at the start of the new phrase and on beat 1 is when you play the next song and when you bring that new song in. This is going to be hard for you to hear at the start because you're not used to hearing clangs and stuff, but you'll be able to hear when the drums are off. The beat 1 needs to match with the beat 1 on tune number 1, if that makes sense. It's really hard to explain, but I'm going to show you what a clang is and then what not clang is so you can hear the difference. This is a not clang. Both of these beats are now in time and they don't sound weird. This is a clang. You hear that the drums are not in time. It sounds awful. It literally sounds like pots and pans. So use the jog wheel to put it in time. And we're back in time. And to bring out the song, give a bit of dub echo. Just put some effects on to cut it out, and then... So yeah guys, that's basically how you blend in tunes and how you beat match. It's going to take a lot of time to get that right, so practice, 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 practice. My advice is watch live streams of people, like boiler room videos of DJs that you play similar music to, and see how they mix and kind of pick up tips through that. That's how I enjoy doing it, because I feel like each genre has a different specific style. So yeah, play around with your EQs, play around with obviously tunes, beat matching, play around with the effects. The world is your oyster now. Just covered the complete basics. I'm not going into like loads of detail, just enough to kind of get you started. Yeah, obviously happy to help with anything I can, and if there's anything you're stuck with, again, just let me know.